One line of CSS turns black text to gold. Small detail, huge impact. Here's how it works. Title: Text Hover Fix. Inside the body, add a paragraph with the class text and type hover over this text. Then close your body and HTML tags properly. Finally, link your CSS file using style.css. Start with the body selector. Set the background color to white. Use Display Flex to create a flexible layout. Center everything using Justify Content Center. Then align items center vertically. Set the minimum height to 100 viewport height. Remove the default margin. Apply Arial, sans serif as the font family. Now target the text class. Set the font size to 3 rem. Change the text color to black. Add a smooth transition of 0.3 seconds. Set the cursor to pointer 4. Interactivity. Finally, on hover, change the text color to gold. That's it for this tutorial. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more quick CSS tips.